Cooking and food is a universal language. We take the group to participate in a cooking class, and it's not only about learning how to cook, it's about connecting with the women. Some of them don't speak fantastic English, but it's about that connection.
Welcome to our kitchen, everyone, again. This is newly built, it's 2 years now.
So make sure when you add onions, you need to leave from the side, always from the side.
Okay.
This looks already yummy. I enjoy especially the cooking, so I get the chance to share my skill with new people. Before I came here, I was in my village. I worked in like a farmer, so yeah, with my mother.
I'm studying business management. This organization is providing a scholarship for not only me, other children also in a remote area.
It's one thing to hear about what Seven Women is doing in Nepal. It's a completely different thing to experience it. The joy that is in that centre that the women have created, the positive energy and the life that is in that centre is incredible to experience. And visitors, they love having visitors. They love being able to practice their English. They love passing on their cultural traditions, their cultural recipes. When we work together like that and when we bring groups to Nepal, it's beneficial for the groups, and it's very transformative for the women.